I'm here in Han Junisu, in one of the medical centers where we are tracking and monitoring malnutrition among children. Here, we are observing that malnutrition and acute malnutrition is on the rise. For the children who are deeply affected, we are distributing this ready-to-use therapeutic food, but we are running out of these items. And behind me on the hill there are dozens of children with empty cooking pots who are waiting for food, who are hungry and who are getting more and more malnourished.